Most Worshipful Presiding Officer, Sir, Most Worshipful Grandmaster Ariel P. Kayanan, to our past Grandmasters, to our foreign dignitaries, brethren, we would like to formally welcome you to our 108th Annual Communications of 2025. Without further ado, I would like to simply give the floor to our Most Worshipful Presiding Officer, Grandmaster Ariel P. Kayanan, for the proceedings to continue. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.